Any indication that lobbyists have been very much involved in this, or were they held at arm's length?
I think they were involved. We heard reports that lobbyists were seeing versions of this proposal before either the public or sometimes even other senators were seeing it. So clearly lobbyists in the health insurance industry were involved in this, but because it was done over such a short period of time and so secretive, I think even lobbyists would have been unhappy with their access to the bill. And I think, from McConnell's perspective, there's this feeling among Republicans that they just have to do this. It's a Band-Aid that they have to rip off. They realized very early on this year that repeal and replace, which is what they promised on Obamacare for so many years, was so much more complicated and divisive than they made it seem when they were campaigning for it. And so at this point, we're 6 months into the year, McConnell just wants to get it done with, because if they fail to do anything, this is a major broken promise, and there's a worry that they're just going to depress support among the conservative base of voters. That why would they vote for Republicans if they can't keep their main promise, which was to repeal and replace this law? And so it's a sort of a feeling of they're darned if they do, darned if they don't on this bill, because it's not popular. But if they fail to do something, it's going to be just as bad with a different constituency.